Welcome back to Worn Out Racing. Shh. It's a long overdue Panda update. That's right, Project Pizza Boy is getting some love. Lowering a car is always hugely satisfying, and I had such a good run. I was 3 in, not a single bolt, not a single problem. I thought this is going to be money. And then, as you can probably tell, I ruined a bolt, or should I say one of the stupid Allen center Allen bolts with the nut around the outside. Just completely rounded off. But thankfully GSF came to the rescue. They had a spare one on there, so I just went and bought one. Put that on. Are you not going to replace the one on the other side, Ben? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Because I don't feel like it. I don't want to do it. If it ends up being a car that I keep for a bit longer, although I want to do some other stuff too, because it does need new brakes, then I'm going to put new brakes on it and I'll do the drop link on the other side. But here's the big question. How does it drive with some budget coilovers on it, wound, shall I say it, pretty much to the bottom? I imagine pretty bumpy. But here's the thing. If you run cheap coilovers on their lowest setting, on a set of big wheels with tiny wafer thin tyres, you're in for a disaster. But if you run it on a car with wee little wheels and big fat balloon tyres, big squishy seats, you're probably going to be alright. But let's go find out. So how does it drive? Well, is it pillowy smooth like it was before? No, it's not. Is it a little bit oversprung? Yes it is. Is it a little bit bouncy? Yeah, but is it that bad? No, it's not at all. Do I regret doing it and making my car significantly cooler looking by being lower, and I'm sure will handle much better? No, of course I don't regret it. Those big squishy tyres doing exactly what I thought they would, and they seem to be taking up most of the flack. Now, obviously, when you lower a car like this, you should get the tracking done. I will need to do that. Just been a little light on the front, so no doubt it's knocked some stuff out, but I'll get that done. Just the basic tracking. Otherwise, though, for the cheapest, one of the cheapest coilovers off eBay, yeah, this is alright. This is definitely no bumpier than the Lemon was. And these seats are money. They're so squishy. I think we are going to be just fine. Now, all we need to figure out now is my boosting problem, and then we can carry on sorting out a few other little bits. I'm going to go chuck some air in the tyres, go for a bit of a blast, and see how this thing handles on these budget tyres. So what is next for Project Pizza Boy, you may be asking yourself? Good question. Obviously, I do need to work that boosting problem out. It still doesn't drive quite right, even when you're not really boosting it. So I think something's definitely up. I've definitely got some kind of leak somewhere on the actuator, something like that. But regardless, leave that with me. I'm still trying to work on something cool for the wheels. I've found something I think would be really good if I can make it work on a super budget, but we'll see. And I need to get some decals made up for it as well. Decals, graphics, call them whatever you like. Seeing as that it is the Pizza Boy, we need some pizza graphics, because, you know, whatever self-respecting Pizza Boy wouldn't have pizza graphics on his car. So leave that with me. I'll be speaking to my man at Stormvolt, I imagine, see if he can sort me out with something. But But at the moment, I'm still enjoying Panda life. I actually think I probably would quite like a 100 HP one, actually. Now that I've driven this one enough, I think a petrol one with a bit of power would be a lot more fun than a little smoky diesel, but, you know, whatever. So yeah, super short episode from me today, because really, I just wanted to give you an update that the Pizza Boy was still here. I hadn't forgotten about it. I've just been concentrating on the 16 valve build, which I've had a massive setback on after discovering something less than ideal on the shower. Yeah, not so good. But you can wait until the next episode to find out what that monstrosity is. So until the next time, stay safe, people. Slam your cars, make them more fun.